than the bird. Oh. Look at he's holding his head. The kid's like, look, got his hand over his head. Ooh. They scared him that time. They got a little too close to him and he freaked out. What he's throwing?
Bread. Here's a loaf of bread. And he set it down.
That's seaweed. That's called sargasso weed. And when this floats out in the water, little fish usually float under it. That's sargasso weed. You know, if he drops it too, one of them tries to